Tired of your YouTube channel looking like a virtual flea market with unwanted Teespring products hogging the spotlight? Let's dive right into removing Teespring from your YouTube channel in just a few simple steps. First, head over to YouTube Studio. You can find this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of YouTube and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look for the Customization tab in the left-hand menu. Click on it, and a new set of options will appear. Next, you'll want to find the Monetization tab, usually located in the left-hand menu. It has a $sign icon next to it. Give that a click. Inside the Monetization tab, you will find Store. Click on the Store tab. This is where your Teespring integration lives. You should now see the Teespring products that are currently linked to your channel. Locate the Remove Store button. It should be right underneath your linked products. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to remove your store. Click on the Remove button to confirm. Removing the store will disconnect your Teespring integration and remove any product listings from your videos. And just like that, Teespring is gone from your YouTube channel. Your channel should now have a cleaner and more focused look, free from unwanted merchandise clutter. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful YouTube tips and tricks.